var ju på väg. Det är nog så.
Card for Vale College are the ones, so 17 so you can almost distinguish the vertical stripes of the other team. Blant have to be the vertical stripes at the V's, and then College are the strips.
Let's go, Colin! Let's go! All the way! Yes, Colin!
Just to confirm, Cardiff scored.
Unlucky kid!
Go, girls, let's keep it up! Jump number one!
Come on, Cover! Big chases! Pick it up! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Go on! Go on!
Don't stop! Come on!
Go on, Cole!
Go on, Calzone!
Go on, Katie! Go on, Katie! Support, go!
Get pop this in! Come on! Come on, Marty! All the way! All the way! Yes, man!
Who's hurt now?
Well done, Mads!
Oh, it is, yeah. Like canyon yard, like you got it.
Go on, Kate!
Right front up the fence now, girls, come on.
It's nice. Excellent we're starting now. That's probably for you now. Excellent we're starting now.
Let's come up, come up, come up!
Penrynol bechgyn yn gysled y cwpan. So in the Boys Cup semi-final competition, ar cae 1 on pitch 1, bydd gennym ni Glan Taf yn erbyn Coleg Caerdydd ar fro. A ar cae 2 on pitch 2, mae gennym ni Eglwys Newydd yn erbyn Ystolafera. So Whitchurch yn erbyn Ystolafera.
100%. Mine. How much
Is it half time? Jan, is it half time?
Definitely Jamie. They didn't come with a buzzer, I'm probably trying there.
Let's get it back then, girls!
Are we matching?
Mill!
Mill, match him! Go that side! Quick, quick, quick! Tackles! Tackles!
Nice girls!
Yes, Maddie!
In over! Let's go!
Felly, nesau ar cae rhif 1, next on pitch number 1, mae gennym ni gêm cwpan penderfynol ffeinal bechgyn. So, cae rhif 1, Glan Taf yn erbyn Coleg Caerdydd ar fro. Pitch number 1, Glan Taf against Cardiff Vale College.
Come on then, girls, heads up, let's go!
Ar cae rhif 2, pitch number 2, and game cynderfynol bechgyn in the boys semi-final of the cup. Mae gennym ni Eglwys Newydd yn erbyn Ystolafera. So pitch number 2, Whitchurch against Ystolafera.
Come on, Mill! Come on! Right, girls, 7 points behind, come on!
Good, big efforts now, yeah? 5 left. Roxy, Carly, big 5. Millie, come on. Big 5.
Come on, Izzy! Let's go! Millie, let's make it! Let's make it!
Go
Yes,
on!
Millie!
Go on, Maddie!
Yes, Maddie!
Up the tackle!
Maddie again.
Matt.
I got it.
You Cardiff or Clonda?
Cardiff. What's happened, Ray?
Okay.
Yeah, that was one.
Ready to go.
Oh, she's asking for
Shut up. She's like,
I thought you were ready for scrum, man.
she looks like what I look like in front of the mirror. I'm trying to like get my luck. Like,
Well, essentially it is. It just does it across the leg rather than one time. It just presses and presses. You need to roll it out and roll it down. Yeah, I feel like the cold because they just compressed it out there. Muscle my legs took a big difference on this.
Aaron, it's a car living boy or gay mate? It's a car living boy or gay mate? Oh, fine.
Oh, girls, yeah, the boys.
That's the girls' cup final.
Girls Cup final, yeah.
Nadur Bill now!
Come on! Tracy, let's go!
That's it! Nadur Bill!
Yn rownd gynderfynol plas y bechgyn, ar cae 3 fydd gynnon ni Bro Morgannwg yn erbyn y Strate, ar cae 4 Bryn Teg yn erbyn Cwm Rymni Gelli Haf. So in the boys semi-final of the plate, on pitch 3 we have Bro Morgannwg against the Strate, on pitch 4 Bryn Teg against Cwm Rymni Gelli Haf. Please make your way over to the pitches, ready to start.
Kick your feet, okay? Hey, let's kick your feet.